Fry eggs and cabbage like this, and the result will be delicious. Let's start our recipe by cutting half a cabbage into strips. And then cut these strips into 3 parts. We will also need 1 onion. Dice it. In a pot on high heat, add all the cabbage that we cut. Cover with water. Cover with the lid and let it cook for 15 minutes. Reserve the cabbage. In a frying pan on medium heat, add some oil and the chopped onion. Sauté this onion until it gives a light golden brown color. Tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. Add the boiled cabbage into a bowl. Add the sautéed onion, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of parsley, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 3 tablespoons of flour, and mix well to combine these ingredients. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and share it with your friends. It will help us a lot. In a frying pan on low heat, add a little bit of oil and spread it well with a brush. After that, with a tablespoon, add several portions of our mixture and let it fry until it's golden brown. And you guys, this recipe is very easy to make, and besides, it's perfect for lunch or dinner. Even those who don't like eggs and cabbage will want this delicious dish. When one side is already browned, turn it over to brown the other side. And finally, just repeat the same process with the whole mixture. And our recipe is done, ready to be served and enjoyed. I really hope you enjoyed our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.